Ouch. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing this hair that I have on already. This is the first time I'm buying from a shop called MYFIRSTWIG, this one. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I laid this hair down really flat. And I'll tell you guys what I really think about this hair. So stay tuned. Yes, so this is what the hair looks like. I love when hair comes in this kind of bag. It comes in this satin-like bag. This is really a nice store because I'm very impressed with what they sent. They actually sent a wig stand, a pink wig stand, and they also sent some other gifts. They actually sent a comb, wig clips, 2 wig clips. They also sent a wig cap, and this wig cap, I love the color. I'm going to put all the link in the description box. I got the hair for about £380. I got it in length 20. Before I talk too much, let's try this hair on my head. This is what it looks like out of the box. This is so beautiful. It's so long for 20. I bought hair that's 20 inches and they're never this long. It's really soft for kinky hair. I'm just going to show you guys closely. This almost feels like too soft for kinky, but it still has the vibes. All right, so this is so soft and so nice. I'm going to take my scarf off now and try it on my head. It's got 2 combs on the back. It has 2 bands, and this is what it looks like inside. And the hair it looks like it's pre-plucked already.
Get it bouncing, yeah.
It doesn't give me that 100% kinky kind of feel. It almost feels like your usual straight hair. It just has a bit of kinkiness to it. You can still see that it's really kinky, but it feels like crimped slightly. You know, it's just not 100% what I would. It's too soft for the kind of look I'm going for. I've liked it a little more kinky than this, but I still don't mind. I don't have a problem with it. It's pre-plucked, although I think I might have to pluck it a little more. Maybe it's just not as kinky as I want it because it's still new. But I remember I've bought some other hairs where as soon as I bought it out of the bag, I knew that it had the kinky texture that I wanted.
Look at how I started from the street. Look at how I started from the ghetto. This how I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh no. Look at me, I started from the street. Look at me, I started from the ghetto. This how I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh. Me go to my knees to the Calvary tree, me I pray. Me telling God everything me I need. Me I tell the God make they bless me still, yeah. Cause if I no get all these people go laugh at me. All these people go use me play. Make God they bless me and my family, yeah. Aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no. Me I make cash on a look, on a look. Me I wanna turn up on a look, on a look. Me I wanna get to the door, me I wanna shine on the look, on a look. Me I wanna turn up on the look, on a look. Me I wanna shine on the look, on a look. Me I wanna get to the door, me I wanna turn up on the look, on a look. Damn, bitch my eyes don't see. Me I no feet talk on. Me I no feet and I'm yeah. Damn, bitch my eyes don't see. Me I no feet talk on. Me I no feet and I'm yeah. You say man in a vanity upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality, yeah. You say man in a vanity upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality, yeah. Aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no. Me I make cash on a look, on a look. Me I wanna turn up on a look, on a look. Me I wanna get to the door, Me, I wanna show you on the low, on the low. Me, I wanna turn up on the low, on the low. Me, I wanna show you on the low, on the low. Me, I wanna get to the low, get the low. Me, I wanna turn up on the low, on the low.
Princeton sounds.
So good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, and that's how to rub salt in the wound. Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong.
Ouch, I'm going to my face.
Who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go. Feet away, she's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it.
All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. This hair doesn't really look like my natural hair. It's really nice, soft and everything. It looks good. It lays well. I didn't even have to color the lace. The lace just blends and melts in. I don't like having baby hair, so I didn't really make any, and it looks good still. It's so beautiful.